Hey, what do you want to do today, buddy?
Sit.
Yeah, that's one of the main 3 things you do in a day.
Wait, let's see
Eat, go to the bathroom, and sit.
I just got a bunch of stuff in there.
Yeah.
Clothes.
Oh yeah. Oh. I'm stuck. Oh, I'm getting thinner by the minute. Watch this. Oh. Look at this, I'm getting thinner. I'm getting thinner. I'm getting thinner. Oh yeah. I'm getting thinner. Do this. See? Get thinner by the minute. That's the miracle of those big pills like this big. You ever seen these big pills? They're gigantic. They make you thinner though. Ooh. Are those some M&Ms?
No, don't touch those. Don't touch those. I mean it.
I thought we were on a diet. I'm eating my good healthy food. Cause they said I shouldn't eat McDonald's or Burger King anymore. I also said I didn't even think about going eating M&Ms, but they're just not listening. So, M&Ms are too good to be kept away. I mean, whenever I go to like Burger King or McDonald's, I'm not supersizing it. Want some too, buddy? Want some more? Oh, you do? Here you go.
Stop throwing that. You have to clean it up now. I'm not cleaning up your mess.
They're easy to eat.
Clean up your mess. You better eat those. Yeah. Watch this. I will. My fat is fat.
Oh.
Fat. Fat people.